Sometimes you see a tweet and you just have to retweet it. Well, a retweet is basically a reposting of a tweet, and it helps you and others quickly share that tweet with all of your followers. You can even retweet your own tweets or tweets from someone else. So you might be confused on how to do that, and if you are, today I'm going to show you how to retweet on Twitter. So let's get started. Now go ahead and open your Twitter app, and then just go to the post that you want to retweet. So once you've done that, you'll see below this post right here, there's a comment icon, and then there's this arrow icon that's going up and down, and a heart icon. So what you want to do is tap on this arrow icon that says 966 beside it, and then it'll give you the option of retweet and quote tweet. So retweet is basically you're just retweeting it without saying anything, and quote tweet is you add your own comment to this tweet. So sometimes if you choose to retweet or quote tweet an article that you haven't opened recently on Twitter, you might see a prompt asking if you'd like to read the article before retweeting or quote tweeting it. And this is basically to reduce uninformed sharing on Twitter. So make sure to read the article before you retweet it. So just tap on this retweet right here. And that's it. You can now see that it's green where before it was just gray. So that means that I have successfully retweeted this tweet. Now, if you want to learn more about Twitter and you want to know how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter, just tap on that screen and it will take you right there. Until next time.